starting to feel my ancestors. Hey everybody, we brought the car to a Scottish festival down here in Payson, Utah. Come check this out, it's pretty fun. We've only been here for like an hour and everybody has already left. This is supposed to be a car show. I don't know what to do anymore.
And then Justin's ancestors called him by name. They said, "Justin, you must go down and enjoy the festivities of the festival. Go into that park, boy. Find the kilt. Wear the kilt. Make your ancestors proud, boy. Make them proud!"
I made my ancestors proud. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, don't forget that the deadline for the wakeboard giveaway is August 4th, so head over to the giveaway post for your chance to win.
Hi, I just subscribed and I might get a chance to win this thing.
Dance around, be free!